Life after the pandemic era has changed drastically. Many people are experiencing negative impacts from the pandemic. Degenerative diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and stroke are increasing significantly and unnaturally. This is caused by DNA damage that occurs either due to the virus infection or due to pollution, stress, and poor diet. DNA damage can cause or worsen various human diseases, such as cancer, tumors, and massive decline in organ function. Therefore, solutions are needed to repair damaged DNA and improve human health. AFC scientists in Japan have introduced Utsukushhii Gold, which has 12 active ingredients and has 8 Japanese patents. Utsukushhii Gold is a breakthrough in the world of international health, containing a special formula to increase NK cells in the body to fight tumors and cancer cells. Besides being able to activate sirtuins, enzymes that play a role in responding to DNA damage by regulating cell cycle development and DNA repair. Apart from increasing NK cells and activating sirtuins naturally, Utsukushhii Gold contains 12 exclusive natural active ingredients from Japan: salmon DNA, Takara kombu phosodium, resveratrol, marine probiotic, lactic acid bacteria, bifidobacterium longum, vitamin D, nanocollagen, pineapple extract, L-glutathione, kiwi seed extract, black garlic. Utsukushhii Gold, clinically tested, halal, and has 8 function patents from Japan.